Even though I am in very bad mood, he can make me laugh and forget about the sad thing. In addition, a person with good sense of humor is very optimistic. They can never make our world full of light. But if a person doesn't have a sense of humor at all, that's really bad. No matter how intelligent he, no matter how reliable he is, he will never bring us happiness. Also, he can help us to solve a few problems, but this world without laughter. In my class there is a very smart guy, but because his lack of humor, we don't like to play with him. Also, it seems that he knows everything. Friends are very important in everyone's life. Humor is the most important characteristic of friends because humorous friends make us happy. They make our life full of joy and full of laughter. Almost every person in the world needs friends. Different people told different opinions in the chosen friends. Some consider intelligence as the most important characteristic in their friend. Others regard a sense of humor as the most significant personality. As far as I am concerned, reliability, which means faith, confidence, trust, of vital importance. The reason goes as follows. Firstly, based on reliability, friendship can be lasting. On the other hand, when your friends are faithful, you would love to get in close touch with him. For instance, you could reveal secrets to them without worry about being betrayed. Tell them your pleasure, so it go double joy. On the other hand, when you're just loyal to your friends, you would be likely to keep relationship between each other. Undoubtedly, will be frequently invited to friends together. Discussion which opinions will be fully taken into consideration since your friends respect you and no suggestion does make good only to yourself but to them as well. Thus, willing of both your friends and you to continue from friendship will lead to your perpetual friendship. What's more, reliability makes a real friendship more solid and deeper. Taking borrowing money as example, it's almost completely sure that probably besides your family, people you ask for money is the most reliable friends. You turn to them because you trust them sincerely to give you help, and at the same time they exert themselves to meet your need because they are confident of your attitude to your friendship and, to be more specific, promise to return money. Friendship, those friends induce, they apply, gets further development, and finally becomes really involved. Friendship just in coincide with the old saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. In conclusion, reliability can be known to examine that real friendship motivate people to deepen our friendship. When I choose my friends, reliability is foremost factor to be considered. Not only one should my friends to be reliable to our friends, but also useful. Some people, the most experienced in our lives that seem difficult at the time, will be more valuable for the future. I agree with it. In my opinion, the most difficult experience we go through will not help us develop our personalities, such as perceived independence and репетиторы по скайпу.